Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix too many attempts on Cash App. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. What you're going to do first is make sure that you don't have any Wi-Fi or data problem, because if you have that, you need to make sure you restart your router or everything. So make sure at first Wi-Fi is all good. After that, what you're going to do is force stop the Cash App. If that doesn't work, you're going to clear the cache. If that doesn't work, you're going to clear the storage of Cash App. And then if nothing is working, you need to contact your bank and let them know that if they have any limit on your bank account, because sometimes they put a limit on your account if you're doing too many transactions or if you're not using it at all. So make sure it's not either of these problems. And if nothing is still working, you can uninstall the app and install it one more time to fix it. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.